This conference will now be recorded.
Hello DBS, welcome to our YouTube channel Oracle Right. So today is the 10th session of my series in Master Oracle 19c RAC in a minute. And today I will tell you about the second part of technology, clusterware technology stack. Yesterday I have discussed CRS technology stack. So today I will discuss OHAS technology stack, that is Oracle High Availability Services Technology Stack. So basically, this services contains many processes. In that, the first one is agent. So it protects any resources of the application resource type used in previous version of Oracle Clusterware. And second process is script agent, which protects resources of resource type other than application when using a shell or batch script to protect an application. And the next process is ologger, which is basically cluster logger service, we call this. And it receives information from all the nodes in the cluster and persists in an Oracle Grid Infrastructure Management repository based database. So this service runs on only two nodes in a cluster. And the next process is GIPC, that is Grid Interprocess Communication, which support daemon that enables redundant interconnect usage. And the next process is GPNPD, which provides access to the grid plug and play profile and coordinates updates to the profile among the nodes of the cluster to ensure that all of the nodes have the most recent profile. Okay, and the next is multicast domain service name, that is MDNS. So this process is basically used by Grid Plug and Play to locate profiles in the cluster and by GNS to perform name resolution. The MDNS process is a background process on Linux as well as Unix as well as on Windows. And the next process is Aura agent. So Aura agent we have discussed in cluster ready services technology stack. So these two processes are actually different. Okay, so don't get confused. So Aura agent of OHAS technology stack basically extend clusterware to support Oracle specific requirement and complex resources. This process manage daemons that run as the Oracle clusterware owner, like the GIPC, GPNPD, and GIPC daemons. And the next process is Aura root agent, that is also the same name which we discussed yesterday in CRS. So both are different. And this process basically helps the CRSD manage resource owned by root, such as cluster health monitor, CHM. Okay, and the last process is OSysMon, that is monitoring and operating system metric collection service that sends the data to the cluster logger service, and this service runs on every node in a cluster. Okay, so these are the process of Oracle High Availability Service Technology Stack. So that's it for today's session. And I have request to my subscriber, please do like, comment, and share, so that many people get the benefit. And those who are not subscribing and thinking to subscribe my channel, so just hit the bell icon and subscribe it, so that whenever I'm uploading a new video you will get the notification. And keep watching, keep learning, and keep sharing. And if you do this, it will motivates me. And thanks again for being here, and happy learning. Bye.